friend. Today I'm going to be showing you my new Headband UNice WaterWave wig. And I'm also going to be showing you what it came with, unboxing all that, as well as how I style it and how I typically get my defined curls, as you can see. So if you're interested, of course, keep watching. So let me show you guys this wig. As you all know, I'm going to be doing a review on this UNice WaterWave headband wig. Now, I have already washed this wig as well as conditioned it. And let me show you what I used. To wash it, I used the Cantu Shea Butter natural hair shampoo, sulfate free. I basically got some lukewarm water, put a little bit of this in it, and then I just mixed it around, and then I just basically washed the hair in there to clean it. I always wash my wigs when they come out of the pack. I never just put the wig on right out of the pack. Like, no ma'am, we gotta wash it. Okay, make sure you wash them wigs. After I was done washing it, I made sure that I conditioned it. So I made sure that I let this sit in the conditioner, and then after that I rinsed it out. And this is also like a shampoo and conditioner that I'll use on my own hair, and it works really well. So before we put the wig on, I want to show you what it's like, what it looks like. So as you can see, it comes with the black band as well as the Velcro straps, so that way after you put it on, you can just close it up to secure the wig. And not only does it come with that to secure the wig, but it also has these combs. So these combs here, and then it also has a comb at the bottom. Let me show you these combs here. So this wig is 20 inches, I believe. Yeah, 20 inches. And it is really low maintenance. Like, basically all you have to do is throw some water on it, a little bit of leave-in conditioner if you want, and go. Okay, but if you want more defined curls, which is kind of like my style, when I'm in a more defined curl kind of mood, I'm gonna show you what I use. So before we get into all that, I want to show you the bag it came in. So when you order this wig, it's gonna come in a bag like this. And what came in that bag was a couple of cute headbands, y'all. So this is one of the headbands that came with the wig. Isn't that cute? And then another headband that came with this wig is this one. I really like this one. This one just screams spring to me. And last but not least, they gave me some lashes, y'all. And these lashes are like bad bitch lashes. Okay, excuse my language, bad bitch lashes. So these are what they look like. And I probably need to put them on because I am bare. Okay, I am bare. My little individuals fell off, and I got them done not too long ago. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find me a new lash tech, y'all. I can't. I probably do need to put these on though, because I am giving bare face. Okay, yes, I made up my face with my little everyday makeup routine, but without my lashes I feel naked. Like straight naked. But that's all right, I'm getting them done, because guess what, boo, I got a trip that I got to get ready for, but that's another story. So I also took the liberty of buying some more headbands, so that way I have headbands to go with every outfit. So I got these headbands from Amazon. So they're just very solid headbands. I got 1 in 10. I got a blue one. I got a red one. I got a gray one. And I got a pink one. And I got a black one. And I got a brown one. That's it, I promise. So all of these headbands can be found on Amazon, and I will have them linked below. I got all these for a really good price, y'all. Really good price. So they also gave me a wig cap. They always give wig caps when it comes to having their wig shipped. They always come with wig caps. So first I want to comb it out. Okay, so the wig is on. I definitely want to make sure I secure it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these combs and stick them in. Definitely don't want this wig cap to slip and show, so I'm gonna push this back some. The wig caps. So here's one comb. Here's another comb, and then there's one at the top, in the middle. So y'all, this wig is secure. This ain't coming off, okay? This ain't coming off. It ain't coming off. Okay, so first of all, the first thing I like to do is style my baby hairs. So to style my baby hairs, I'm gonna be using two things, because all you need is two things. I am gonna be using Edge Effect. You can find this at your local beauty supply, and this edge brush that you can also find from your local beauty supply. All right, so we are done with our edges, but I definitely want to make sure that they stay. So I'm gonna go in with some Got to Be Glued spray. Ooh. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this hair tie to lay these edges. Okay, so now while our edges are getting laid, we are gonna go ahead and style this hair. So like I said, this hair has been already washed, already conditioned, and the first thing I like to do is comb the hair out, because the thing about curly hair is that it can get matted if you don't take care of it. I know a lot of times people don't like to brush or comb through curly hair, but you don't want this stuff to get tangled. And I guess it's out of fear of losing its curl, but if you got some good hair, it ain't gonna lose its curl. All you gotta do is put some water on it, some conditioner, and keep it moving. If you want it more defined, put some mousse on it. So, now that we are sure that this hair isn't matted, I want to wet the hair. So I have some water in this spray bottle. Now, the only thing I don't like about this spray bottle is that it like gets water everywhere. Like, it'll wet you too much. I need to get a spray bottle that has sort of a mist to it. Like, I'd rather a mist, but this will do. So I'm gonna see, let's open this. So basically what I do is take my hair like this, and then I just start spraying. And you don't need a lot of spray, not with this spray bottle. And you just want to wet it. You don't want to get it soaked, but you want to get it damp. And guys, look at how defined these curls are. When you wet it, you can really see the curls. And I love, like, even after you wet it, it's still very full. This wig is definitely really full. That's what I love about it. Okay, my ends could really use some more water, so let's spray a little more on my ends without wetting up everything. Okay, so now that we're done wetting up our hair, I want to take a little bit of curling cream by the brand Cantu. This is what the bottle looks like. And you just want to take a little bit. You don't really need a lot. This is all you need. And I just rub it in like so. This may even be too much. And last but not least, the thing I really use to define my curls is mousse. Now you can get any type of mousse. I don't really recommend a particular brand. Whenever I go to the store, I just make sure I keep mousse on hand because I love my WaterWave wigs. What can I say? So last time I was at a store, can't remember which one, probably just a random store, I picked up this mousse. You shake it up, and then, and I have about that much in the palm of my hand. And as I distribute it, I scrunch, baby, scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And now we have even more defined curls. Simple, right? Easy. Very easy, very low maintenance. I love it. And then as the day goes on and your hair starts to dry and not be too damp, your curls will stay. And of course, once it dries and you want it to have even more volume, you can always just comb it out, fluff it out, do whatever you need to do. But yeah. So let's check on these edges. Oh yes, oh yes, it just laid. Hair slayed. So let's pick out a headband. So I am going to go ahead and pick out one of the headbands that UNice provided. I'm gonna do this one since my shirt is black and it has black in it. So yeah. Yes, so this hair is definitely giving what it needs to give, okay? I love it. UNice never seems to disappoint, at least moi. So yeah, this is how I style my WaterWave wig, headband wig. Isn't it so cute? Like, this headband I would have never thought to get because it's not my style, but it works. Anyways, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Of course, subscribe if you're new here. And for all my OG subbies, you are appreciated. Until next time, peace.